Hi, in this video we are looking how tables works and makes the things easier for you. We have a data here and we would like to use tables, table option to make things easier. You click a cell in the data and then in the insert tab click table. And it will select all the data related to that cell and turn it into a table directly. And this way you can add new rows easily. Select the row below the table and write anything you can, and the table automatically adds a row under the table. And you can create columns easily by selecting the resize handle and drag it to write two columns, and Excel automatically fills January and February columns for you, and it's done automatically. You can also change the style of the table if you like, clicking on the table inside and selecting the table design tab, table tools design. You can change the table styles and other options from this tab. Now let's continue. Tables also helps to calculate the columns and fills the formulas automatically once you first write the formula. For example, on the total cell, press Alt, Shift and equal sign. It will calculate the sum of the cells on the left, to the left of the cell, and the table automatically fills down other totals. Now, you can calculate the totals of the rows instead of typing a formula. Click one of the cells in the table and go to the Table Tools Design tab and select Total Row. It will add a row to the bottom of the table and you will see the sum of the sales at the bottom. And you can even change the calculation from sum, for example, to average or to maximum values or anything you want. This is the end for the tables. Thank you.